Are boring, repetitive tasks holding you back? Like summarizing endless meetings or answering the same questions over and over? Let's change that. With AI, you can automate 70% of your busy work, boost productivity, and focus on what truly matters. Let's find out how to use AI for task automation. AI task automation is all about using smart tech to handle repetitive work. Think AI chatbots for customer queries, predictive analytics for inventory optimization, and machine learning algorithms for pattern analysis. It's like having a 24/7 assistant that learns and adapts to your needs. And yes, it works for businesses of all sizes. How can you use it? To start automating, identify repetitive, time-consuming tasks that are killing your team's productivity. Look for processes that are consistent and rule-based, like data entry, scheduling meetings, summarizing project updates, or drafting email replies. NASA, for example, is using automation for routine customer interactions and new customer onboarding. This has enabled them to scale from managing 20 projects to 145 projects without additional headcount. Next, pick an AI automation tool. You need something powerful, flexible, and intuitive. Something like ClickUp, which combines the powers of AI and automation with dynamic work management. ClickUp offers you an automation library with 100+ pre-built templates for automating your most frequent workflows. For example, scheduling a social media post as soon as the content is finalized, or sending email updates once a task review is complete. And with ClickUp's AI assistant, ClickUp Brain, you can even create complex automations using simple, natural language prompts. No coding required. Just specify the trigger, condition, and the outcome you want, and watch the magic happen. In addition to building custom automations for you, ClickUp Brain can do powerful stuff on its own. Missed an important conversation thread while you were away? Get a summary of discussion points via the AI catch-up. Do you need daily or weekly project update? Brain will generate an async stand-up on demand without bothering your team. You can also use Brain to draft client communications, create targeted content in seconds, and fetch answers regarding tasks, people, and documents from your ClickUp workspace. The right automation tool can make work feel like play while giving you your time back. Finally, once you have your automations set up, don't forget to monitor them. Regular checks ensure everything runs smoothly. With ClickUp, you get audit logs to track successes and make tweaks when needed. This leaves you and your team free to focus on creative, strategic work. People using automations are already saving 3.6 hours a week, or 23 working days per year. And with ClickUp, you don't need a dozen tools to manage automations. Use simple if-then triggers or describe what you need in plain English, and it's done. Don't let mundane tasks slow you down. With ClickUp, you get powerful AI tools to simplify your workflows and keep your business moving. You can start automating today, and it's free.